Hello everybody, hope you're all well. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. I am back with a good old homeware haul today. I feel like it has been a while since we've done one of these, and I've got some bits to show you from Home Bargains, the home of the bargains. I've also got something to show you from Home Sense, Home of Sense, I don't know why I'm saying this, and I've also got to show you some bits from Wilko's that doesn't have a home of, but I'm going to show you some bits from Wilko's as well. So we'll have a quick sip of the coffee before we get into this one. Oh, I've got some charity shop bits to show you as well. And yeah, then we'll get into it. Ice cream van's outside. In case you're wondering what the backdrop is all about, I have positioned myself in the corner of the living room in front of the door because everywhere is chaos. You may have been following along with the loft conversion vlogs, and that is why. So I've put myself in the corner to show you all of my bits. Anyway, let's start off with some things that I picked up from the charity shop, and it is these lovely baskets. Now these were, I think, £1 or £1.50, and when I got to the till, I think she just charged me 50p for these. She was being kind. So, absolute bargain. I think, yeah, these worked out at 25p each, and they're this really nice woven design. I saw something very similar, hello, in Anthropologie, and they cost a fortune, so I'm delighted with these. The thing that I saw in Anthropologie kind of looked like that, but the top part was bigger, so you could do a little DIY hack and take two baskets, you put a bigger one on the top, and that becomes like a fruit bowl, and it kind of stands up on itself. So yeah, I was really pleased with those. And in the same charity shop, I also spotted this, which I thought was rather nice too, and again, I think this was £1. Yeah, £1.50, really nice little plant container. Obviously, we just need to put a plant pot in there that's not going to leak through it. But yeah, really nice. You could probably put pens and things in there too. So those are the bits that I got from the charity shop. Let's move on to Home Bargains. So today, I went to Greenwich with my friend Luke, and we did what we usually do when we go to Greenwich, and that was swing by the retail park, which has a brand new, well, relatively new, I think it opened last autumn, massive Home Bargains. So we did a little bit of damage, and that vlog's probably already up, the come shopping with us, but if it's not, it'll be coming soon. So yeah, I'll link it in the description box if it's up already. So I've got a few bits in there. First thing that I got was this Lenore Crease Release. So this, Crease Releaser I should say, this is the Spring Awakening. Smells so good. That is a smell that I like. Really nice. You spray this onto your clothes, clean, dry clothes, and you just spray it on, pull and smooth, and then hang, and it kind of refreshes them as well. So I thought this is a really good thing to use for clothes that you don't need to rewash, but you just want to kind of give them a quick refresh and a crease release. Maybe a good one, I might decant some of this and put it into a small miniature spray bottle and take it on my travels with me, because that would be really handy for when things have been in a suitcase and have creased up, and it smells so good. It's the sort of thing you probably quite like to spray everywhere. It smells so good. So it's the perfect combination of Lenore fragrance that removes creases without the hassle of ironing. What is not to love, eh? Also got some extra loo roll. We have lots of people using the toilet at the moment with the loft renovations going on, so I got some more of that. I got some Got2b styling powder. This is one of the products that I use in my hair, and this one is the Powerful Volumizing Styling Powder Instant Volume and Root Boost. It just gives your hair a bit of texture and a bit of hold. I haven't got any in today, so I can't show you what it looks like, but yeah, this is a good one. Highly recommend it. And then I also got these bamboo toothbrushes. Now you get 3 for 99p, which I thought was brilliant. They also do the mini tiny little brushes that are filled between your teeth as well, also for 99p I think they were, but I didn't need any of those. But these are also individually wrapped, so I thought these would be good to have as spares if you've got guests coming over, emergency toothbrush situation. And yes, for 99p for 3. Let's have a quick look at one. Yeah, really nice. Very impressed with those. These can be very pricey, can't they, in those eco shops. You see these sort of things for like £7 and that kind of stuff. So brilliant that you can get them now so reasonably in Home Bargains. And then I also got these are for the builders, some milk chocolate oat biscuits. I thought they looked like hobnobs, and I thought those would go down well. And then I picked up some Tangy Toms. Who remembers these? These are a right throwback. They remind me of the vending machine in the sports hall at school. Do you remember Tangy Toms? I'm looking forward to having some of those later on, along with glass of rosé. What we're thinking, Tangy Tom and a bit of Kylie. So this rosé I really rate. I have had this before. I've got it on offer in Sainsbury's before for £7, but in Home Bargains this was £5.99, which is a real bargain for this. I've never seen it that reasonably priced before, unless maybe it's on part of a deal where you have to buy 6, that sort of thing, in some of the supermarkets. So if you just want one bottle, £5.99 is a good price for that, and I recommend it. So there we are. Also in Home Bargains they have these Posh Mixers. Can't speak today. Also in Home Bargains they have these Posh Mixers. I went for some ginger beer and also some ginger ale, and these are only 29p each. They come in the glass bottles, really nice to put on your bar cart, having some little drinks, even if you just want them on their own as a soft drink. I thought really good. They also had some tonics too, and for 29p I thought the price was brilliant. There would be a lot more in a supermarket, wouldn't they? I reckon you'd be talking at least £1 for one of those. So, good bargain. And couldn't go into Home Bargains without picking up some hand wash, could I? This was, I think, 89p, and I've gone for the Pampered Mango, Passion Fruit and Orange luxuriously fragranced hand wash. By the way, I'm filming this in the evening time. I don't know if you can tell because of the lighting. It's a bit odd, isn't it? But during the day, there's a lot of building noise, so I'm just trying to sort of sandwich in this little haul for you. So yeah, bear with me. I know it's a bit odd. We're sat in front of the door, and I'm just sniffing hand soap. So that's the vibe. Anyway, I think that is everything from the Home of Bargains. No, it's not. I also got myself, which has been half eaten, a delicious cookie. In Home Bargains, they have a bakery section. Did you know that? Maybe just in the bigger ones. The one in Greenwich, I tell you what, there is a food section, freezers and freezers and freezers, chilled food. There is also the bakery section where we've got the cookies. There is also an outdoor garden section that had plants. I didn't actually have a look at that, but next time we'll definitely have a look around there. Very impressed with that big Home Bargains, so yeah. Also very impressed with this cookie for 29p. Oh, a couple of prices for you. The Crease Release was £2.49. Yeah, the hand wash was 89p, the biscuits were 89p, the Got To Be hair powder was £2.95, and I nearly forgot, I also got a load of these Self-Adhesive vinyl floor tiles, and these are £1.99 a pack, and you get 5 in a pack. And I got these with the kitchen floor in mind. I got 7 packets, but silly me, I didn't measure. And I'm going to need some more. So I'm going to have to pop back to Home Bargains, get a few more of these, and I thought we would have a go at giving my kitchen floor a makeover. If I can't get any more, I might even try these on the tiles surrounding the bath. What do we think? And what do we think of the design? They had this in more grey tones, but I quite like the fact that this also has some warm tones mixed into it. So I thought, yeah, we might experiment with those and see how they work. But for £1.99 for 5, pretty good value, I thought. They're just the peel and stick ones. So yeah, that is everything from the Home of Bargains. But we're moving on to Wilko's now. Now, all of these bits from Wilko's, I am actually working with Wilko's on an IGTV, doing some organisational ideas for the home. So all of these bits are part of that collaboration, just to let you know. And starting off, I got a load of these clear plastic storage boxes, which are so handy at the moment, especially with the renovations taking place, because dust is getting everywhere. So I've had to put all of the clothes, any excess bits and bobs that are out in the bedroom, all the way into plastic containers. And these are brilliant as well for lofts and for sheds, because they're a good size, clear plastic, you can see what's in them, really handy to have. So I got 5 of those. I also got this very nice 12-piece dinner set. Now this is £30, and I thought this looked really stylish. You can't quite see on the box, but it's got this kind of beveled, almost like hammered design. I've got one here to show you so you can see. what I'm talking about. Can you see that? It's got kind of like little bumps in it, and that reminded me very much of the White Company. So Freya Farrington, if you're watching, let me know what you think. Is this a good White Company dupe? Because I would say that probably is. I feel like they've got something quite similar to this. So you get 4 of the side plates, you get 4 dinner plates, and you also get 4 soup bowls, or cereal bowls, or bowls, for whatever you want to put in your bowls. So yeah, very impressed. Dishwasher safe, microwave safe, and yeah, for £30 I thought very nice indeed. So I'm pleased with that. I also thought a set like this would look nice on open shelving. You know, if you're having things out on display, it would look really good. Next up, I got one of these A5 sized scrapbooks, and I've already stuck a label on it that says memories, because into here I'm going to put photographs. It's got loads and loads of pages, and I thought it'd be quite nice as well to put any little travel memories in, little tickets, little keepsakes that I've kept from my travels over the years. I think these were £4 as well, so yeah, maybe you could have a few of them all stacked up next to each other and organise all your pictures this way. And for the price, I thought it works out a lot more reasonable than buying photo albums, because those can be quite expensive, can't they? So it'd be quite nice to kind of stick and organise things in there individually. Oh, I've just got, just behind you is the bowl, if you want to see that, just to give you an idea of the size and the shape. Yeah, really nice. So next up, from Wilko's, I got some Peonies. I just thought these would be nice to use in the backdrop or on the mantelpiece. I just thought, nice pop of colour. So I've got a couple of those. The prices in Wilko's, I think, are always really reasonable, and they've got nice quality stuff. So really pleased with everything that I got from them. And also this vase, which I have seen a very similar design in Anthropologie in the past. It was much more expensive, and it's got this really nice woven design on it. Goes right the way underneath as well, so really nice detail on this. And yeah, I just thought this would look quite nice even just on its own without anything in it, or with just a couple of stems of something quite simple. And then I got one of these, which is a magazine holder, but I thought this would be useful to keep by the stairs to put things into for going up and down the stairs, basically. So kind of like, we'll call it a stairs basket, okay? So you know when you've got to remember to take some things up the stairs, this is gonna be there for that. And then if you want to take things down the stairs, it'll be there for that too. I also thought it'd be quite a good holder for loo roll. What do you think? And finally, from HomeSense, I got some dusting slippers. I thought these ones looked really good quality. These were £7.99. And yeah, if that come shop with me is up, then I will make sure that is linked in the description box for you. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this cheeky homeware haul. If you did, do give it a little thumbs up. Let me know in the comments which item was your favourite. If you're new here, don't forget to click subscribe for new videos every single week. I will be back with another one very soon. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.